Hey, what's happening, Sneakerhead? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Before we get this video started, go ahead and give that big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. Come on, you know where that thumbs is.
Hey, it's too easy. Too easy.
We're starting off. We're doing that weekly heat, baby. That weekly heat.
Yes, sir. The weekly heat. Yes, sir.
So as you know, we try to get this video out each Sunday. So if you're looking for the weekly heat and want to know the hottest Jordan in the cop, check this video every Sunday. Okay, so starting it off, we have two shoes dropping on the 20th of September. First shoe is a Jordan 2 Craft Low Photon Dust. We do not have a picture of this, so we won't go in full detail of this. As you know, twos don't do well, and I do see this shoe sitting if it does ever come out. The last craft shoe that was scheduled to release, I didn't see it released. So if you know anything or have a picture of this, comment down in the comments below. But also the same day, we do have that Jordan 6 Low PSG. This is a collaboration. Now, we know Jordan 6 Lows don't do that well, but this is the PSG collaboration. However, it does have that tag in the back, which most people don't like. It doesn't have that ordinary where the Jumpman is on the back. It's not there. I don't see too much PSG branding as usual. This is a clean colorway because it's a gray and white. It does look like that cool gray, which I do already own. But so I will not be going for these because I already got the cool gray sixes in my collection. And because of the high price point of $200, I will be dropping these. How about you, my brother?
I was never a fan, of those. So, hey, big thumbs down. I can see them really just sitting. So I'm giving them a thumbs down.
Yes, sir. We're going next, my brother.
Yeah, coming up next, we got on September the 21st, we got a women pair of shoes coming out, the Jordan 5s, the Chutney. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, hey, drop us a comment below letting us know the correct pronunciation of the shoe itself. But it is a women's pair of shoe. The price that they're asking for is 180. I guess that Chutney, I guess that's the color of like a goldish with black. It's a clean shoe for a female. With it going into the fall, I can see this shoe doing somewhat quite well with the right outfit, ladies. Hey, I love to rock those, so I'm giving those thumbs up. What about you, my brother?
Let us know, sneakerheads, in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these? As for me, I'm dropping these. I'm not really a big fan of low fives. I am a fan of fives, though. This is a women's colorway, so I will not be going for these. If you want those, go ahead and put in your footwork and wish you the best of luck. So moving on, September 22nd, we do have those Jordan 11 Low IE. This is considered like a black and white. I call them pandas. Anything black and white nowadays, I call them pandas.
Yeah.
Pandas. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out our video unboxing of our pandas. We did have a low and high that we did get in, and we unboxed those with y'all. I am a fan of the IEs. I did purchase my first IE right here. So we will do a live unboxing with y'all. Normally we don't do the unboxings on this one, but all these shoes are starting to stock up. So bam, got these. Now, what I do recommend is this is the time if you're a real sneakerhead, everything is going on sale. And so, like, believe it or not, I was able to cop these for half off. These normally retail for $185. I got this pair right here for $95. Probably paid about $112 or $115 with taxes, but this is again a clean colorway. That 11 Low IE, white, tan, and gray. I do plan to be rocking these soon, and this is similar to what is going to come out again. It does the shoe that's coming out has not came out before. This black and white pair is kind of like a reverse of the normal red colorway that they normally have. This patent leather right here normally where the white is, but on this one it's actually canvas right here, and where you see this brown at right here. I'm not sure if you can pick that up because of lighting, but where it's tan at, normally that's going to be the patent leather. So in my opinion, that is a clean colorway. I probably won't go for them right off the bat, but if they do plan to go on sale, I might pick these up down the line. So I'm rocking these as far as the color, but I will not be going for these, when they first release, but maybe down the line, like I said, if I can get them for sale like I got these, yeah, I'm going to scoop them up. So let us know in the comments, sneakerheads, you're going to be rocking these brand new Jordan 11 Low IE black and white, aka pandas. How about you, my brother?
Hey, I was never a fan of that shoe. So I keep it short and to the point. Thumbs down. Thumbs down.
Yes, sir.
But up next, we do have a collab. We got that East Side Jordan 1s golf shoe. This shoe here is due to come out on the same day as the IEs. This shoe here is a collab, right? Jordan 1. I am a fan of the Jordan 1s. Asking price for those are $200. You know, it do have that Celtics look to it. It being, you know, a high top. Hey, drop us a comment below. Shooting around the golf is some high tops. That seems like that can be very uncomfortable, but it's a clean shoe, and I am a fan of the ones themselves, and I am a Celtics fan. So this is a shoe that I see me rocking. Hey, shoot us a comment down below if you rocking these or dropping these. But me, hey, giving them a thumbs up, me being a one fan. So I'll be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
Looks like they maybe had got pushed back, and I did give them a thumbs up then, and I'm rocking with the East Side. They do some nice shoes. I do like the 12 East Side golf shoes. If you haven't seen those, they were like an orange pair and tan pair. So I'm loving what the East Side is doing with the Jordan collaboration. So I'll give them those thumbs up as well.
Okay. All right. So following 22nd, on the 23rd, we got those Air Jordan 2s, the black cement. It looked like the Jordan brand is taking a classic shoe and flipping it to different silhouettes. Because you remember at one time they did the 3s. Now they're doing the 2s. And this shoe here is ranging in all sizes, you know, from men to toddlers, a wide range of sizes for this shoe. This shoe here is a real clean shoe. 2s is a shoe that I tend not to favor, but this shoe, that black cement, I'm really digging that, man. And asking price for those for male, for men's is $175. And hey, them, I'm rocking those. I give them a thumbs up. So drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. So what about you, my brother?
I'm not a fan of the black cement 3s, so I'm going to be dropping these as well. I prefer the white cement over the black. It's just a matter of personal preference. I do know most people do like the black cements over the white cements, but it's just a matter of, I'm a more colorful person, so I'm not trying not to wear like all black, wear black shoes because they don't really have a lot of character in my opinion, black shoes. Let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So finishing off, we have on the same day, the 23rd of September, the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s. This is set to release at a men's size for $250. Also in a preschool size for $100. Toddlers and infants for $80. I believe this is like a 50-50 chance. Like I said, the J Balvins, they don't resell for much, or they start off high and they do end up going low. The Jordan 1 is the only one that's kind of keeping its value, but it did start off like real high, like maybe $600, and it dropped to like $300. Now the Jordan 2 J Balvins, they started off, that high retail price, that's why it's doing it, but they started off maybe like at $600 and then went down to $300, and now you can pick those up for like $150. So I will be going for these because I am a fan of 3s, and I do like, they don't do a lot of collaborations on 3s, so I will be going for these. So let us know in the comments. Think here, are you rocking these or dropping these? How about you, my brother?
Hey, I'm a 3 fan. I mean, that shoe itself, it looks clean. That's a clean shoe to me. So I'll be rocking those. Hey, I'll be rocking those.
I just think that high price point, that's why I'm kind of thinking it might not do well because, we're in a down economy and, most people don't want to pay that retail price. So imagine if you missed that. I'm going for it because if I can get these for retail, I don't want to pay that resale price. So if I get them for retail, then I'll keep them. If I don't win on my raffle, because they're only going to be dropping on sneakers, so the sneakers app, so it's going to be very difficult to win. I'm not acting like it's a shoe in or guarantee. And so if that happens, then I'm not paying resale for them. So.
Get it. I mean, like you say, man, that ticket itself, $250, that's pretty steep. Yeah. That's pretty steep, But the shoe itself is a clean shoe, and I think it's just more with that price tag is so steep. It's because it's a collab and who is collabing with, so it makes sense.
Yeah. Just let me check what resale is going for right now. So they have gone down a bit. They were around $600, and Right now, my size 10, is going for 487 on StockX. But by the time taxes and fees, that's gonna be a $550 shoe. So, like I said, I will be going for these. If I win them, I'll keep them. If not, then I'll just move on to the next shoe, my brother.
Yes, sir. Hey, if y'all continue to like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Bless others. Peace.
peace.